Let's make praise now. You beat back, and then I'm gonna come on, and then as you go hard, I'm gonna go with you, and then we're gonna go hard together. Alright, okay. Okay. Oh, no, you say two lines, they gotta both right, and then I'll say the next
Right,
line.
you say you do two things around and I'll say try to do things around. Okay. Go. We don't know.
Yeah. So I'm about to zone out, and I got God in my mind.
Alright, there you go.
Think about him all day. He's always on my mind.
Yeah. So when I let my spirit shine, the light is oh so bright.
I ain't on the grind.
And we always on the grind, trying to get people.
Spend it all the time.
And the devil will see through. Tell the devil I see you. I see you so clear. I know that you're near.
Fear.
Yeah.